Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aquarius placements. This is your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong June. Okay, so yeah, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so yung ating mga items is all available. Protection from evil eye. We do have rings. Yung ring natin pala is adjustable. Okay, so nothing to worry pagdating sa sizes, no? And syempre, meron din tayong bracelets. Okay, isang adjustable and isang garterized. And yung ating necklace, meron din tayong necklace. So ito yung necklace natin. Pakita ko lang ulit. Okay, so yan. This is unisex. Okay, pwede nyong ibahin ang inyong chain kung gusto ninyo. Pero, yeah. Okay, so, ano pa ba? Yung ating love bracelet. So, si love bracelet na lagi kong nalilimutan sabihin na merong citrine. Yung citrine po is ito yung mga yellow na stones, na nakakabit. Ito, yung mga yellow na yan. Okay, so ito yung for money. Okay, so nalilimutan ko sabihin na itong bracelet na to is for love and money. Okay, so this is 2-in-1. Magnet para sa love and money. Okay, so kung ano man ang ma-manifest nito, kailangan mong proteksyonan. Okay? Proteksyonan by using evil eye. Kung meron kang evil eye na sa'yo, yes, gamitin mo yon, no? So, kung ikaw ay lalaki at gusto mo to, kasi kita mo naman, di mo na masusuot to kung lalaki ka, lagay mo sa pouch. Okay? Pouch na red. Lagi mo lang din dadalhin. Okay? So, yon. And syempre, meron akong sasabihin sa'yo pag nag-purchase ka nito. Okay? Kailangan namin yung real name mo rin. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is made to order, by the way. And syempre, yung taga-grant, okay, nang minamanifest. Katulad nito ni love bracelet, love and money, no? So, nagmamanifest siya. So, ito rin, kailangan din ng protection. Okay, ayaw natin na masasabotahe yung ating minamanifest at pag nag-grant niya, sabotahin na. Pangit na yung darating sa'yo. Yes, taga-grant lang kasi siya di po ba? Taga-grant lang siya. So, meaning to say, kailangan mong proteksyonan yung minamanifest mo. By what? Using what? Evil eye. Okay? Evil eye. So, kung meron ka nga na available na sa'yo, gamitin mo. Okay, and syempre, si cord cut. So, ano ba in general ang ginagawa ni cord cut? Ang ginagawa natin or ang naibibigay sa iyo nito is na itataboy ka niya sa MALAS. Yun na yun. Yun ang keyword. Okay, pagdating kay panganyan, kay cord cutting. Okay, kasi kapag may naka-attach pa sa'yo na hindi na dapat, nagpapabigat yan ng energy Okay, nagpapabigat ng energy, nagpapakupad ng mga energies na dapat ay nandyan na. Okay, so pag-aalis ng mga hindi na tamang energy, pag-aalis ng MALAS, ha? Okay, so again, kung may tanong, just message me sa akin pong FB page, okay? And syempre, be aware, may mga gumagaya ng ating page. So, tingnan ninyo kung legit ba. Okay, may nag-e-edit ng kanilang mga followers para masabing marami. Okay, so, ang gagaling Okay, so let's see. Aquarius, what's for you in general ngayong June? What's for you ngayong June? Nag-flip si Magician in reverse. Nag-flip. That is evil eye. Pwedeng may nag-i-evil eye sa inyo. Proteksyonan nyo ang inyong mga energy ngayong June. So, what's for you, Aqua? Aquarius. Two of Swords. Ten of Swords. In general, this is talking about decision making pagdating sa mga bago, pagdating sa pagbabago. Okay, you could be ending a cycle or ending a situation or cutting off people, cutting off ties, situation na parang hindi na nagbibigay ng magandang result, no? Maganda kung ano man pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Some of you, I'm seeing here, may mga magre-resign sa work. Yeah. Okay? Magpapalit ng employer. Mga ganon. Let's see. What else? Huwag niyong i-avoid yung energy ng changes. Kasi may mangyayaring pagbabago. Huwag niyong i-avoid. Ten of Wands in reverse. Some of you, you have to surrender something. You need to surrender. Ano to? Yung hindi nagiging consistent. Okay? In general, yung hindi nagiging consistent. Hindi nagpo-provide ng long term or kung ano man sa'yo. You have to surrender it. Ten of Cups. Kung ano man, yung parang nagsisilbing hadlang para ikaw ay sumaya, some of you, kung ano man yung nagsisilbing hadlang na yun. Okay? Even family, friends, kahit sino pa, kung sino man yung humahadlang sa mga kagustuhan mo or sabihin natin kasiyahan mo in general, then kung kailangan mo silang talikuran, talikuran mo. Kasi, yeah, I don't know kung bakit, yeah, that specific message, not for all. Okay. Yeah, death. This is cutting. This is ending. Okay. Yung iba dito na nasa isang situation na parang in and out, may chance na ngayong June, talagang wala na to. Okay? Talagang wala na. Lalo yung sabihin natin hindi consistent sa pakikipag-communicate. Okay? What else? Aqua. King of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, yung iba rito talaga may chance na mag-resign or magpalit ng employer, could be. King of Pentacles in reverse. The Nine of Wands. Meron ditong toxic na employer or toxic na boss na parang hindi ka papayagang umalis. You're selfish. Some of them, hindi kayo binabayaran. Okay? Meron ako dito nakikita na pwede naman sabihin natin kung ilalaban nyo, makukuha nyo yung para sa inyo talaga. I'm hearing back pay. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Some of you, no, nasa ano ba yan? Nasa isang situation na parang sobrang nakakapagod na, lalo na in terms of money. Yeah. May kailangang baguhin niya. See, the Four of Pentacles, laging out, parang ganon. So, anong kailangan mong gawin? Anong kailangan gawin? Kasi may Wheel of Fortune dito in reverse. Meaning to say, some of you could be stuck. Or hindi nakakapag-manage ng tama or ng ayos. Anong kailangan ialis? Page of Swords. Or kailangan malaman. May kailangan kang malaman. Aralin. Some of you, wag kang matakot na sabihin na parang, kasi nakikita ko dito kaya kaya ganito, may chance na natatakot ka sa mga sasabihin ng iba kaya hindi mo kayang hindian, hindi mo kayang tumanggi. Learn how to reject. Some of you, Aqua, learn how to reject. Okay? So, maybe, some of you, matututo kayo na humindi or hindian. Limitahan kung ano mga dapat. Okay? So, next. Okay, that's your general reading. Let's see what's for you pagdating naman sa love. So, the person on your mind, Aqua, this June. What's for you, Aqua? So, who's this person? The person on your mind, Aquarius, for they with this, Aqua. Anong energy ni person? One more. Okay. Strength could be Leo. Some of them may pagka-controller. Controlling. Strength. And the Knight of Cups. Okay. In general, there's this control. Okay? Pagdating sa emosyon, some of them may chance na parang andito yung word na parang mahilig siyang ipamuka. No, mahilig siyang mangganon. Mahilig siyang ipaalam sa'yo na meron siyang ginagawa for you. Like that. That's specific. Okay? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Even though gumagawa siya ng action for you, lagi na lang niyang pinapamukha yun. Like, binibigyan naman kita ng ganito ganito, ganyan, whatsoever. Medyo, yun yung pangit lang, or dark side, or negative side ng taong to, I think. Okay? Yeah. The Ace of Wands, the Eight of Wands. I think some of you, nandoon na yung energy ng in and out. Okay? Aalis, lalayo, aalis, lalayo. Some of them, they're good in bed. They're good in bed. Okay? Not for all. So, ano bang meron sa situation? Anong kailangan mong malaman, Aqua? Some of you, there's this blockages. Okay, blockages. Tension. Anong meron? Okay, the Seven of Pentacles in reversed. And the Page of Swords. Okay. Meron na nag-iisip sa situation na parang wala nang patutunguhan to. Waste of time na lang. Ayoko nito. Ayoko ng ganito. Yeah. Two of Cups in reverse. Okay. So, siguro, dala na rin ng in and out sa connection. Meron din ditong parang sawa na maghintay at kailangan ng umaksyon or kailangan ng magsalita. Okay. Ano emosyon ng taong to sa'yo? Emotion. Two of Cups. Why? So, Page of Pentacles. Page of Wands. Two of Wands in reverse. Anong gusto niya? Itong taong to, lagi na lang, yes, I need to connect, I need to reconnect, palagi. Pero, lagi na lang may limit. Andyan yung gusto niya magsimula palagi with you. Okay? Gusto niya lagi magsimula palagi. Pero, there's limit. Lagi na lang parang, oops, hanggang level 2 lang tayo. Or level 1. Parang ganyan. Kaya may nagtatanong na sa situations like, nagsasayang na lang ata ako ng oras dito. And somebody is too open. I don't know, like, pwedeng younger. Always open sa pakikipag-connect. Or, yeah, the 6 of Wands. Always getting a lot of attention maybe. Or talagang charismatic lang itong taong to. That is why. Funny. They know how to get people's attention. Let's see. What is their next action? What is their next action towards you, Aqua? The 3 of Cups in reversed. Yeah. And the Empress. They're open pagdating sa mga ibang bagay, ibang tao, pero they know your value. Alam nila na ikaw yung the best. Okay, alam nila na ikaw yung the best. The Ace of Swords. I'm hearing pregnancy here. Hindi malayo na pwedeng magkaanak kayo ng taong to. Okay, that is another message. Some of you, there could be no label. No label. Yeah, there's limits. Pwedeng wala kayong label ng taong to. Okay? It's like, may patutunguhan ba? Magle-level 2 ba tayo? Parang ganon. Pero they want that. Na magkaroon ng progress, improvement pagdating sa connection nyo. Kung wala kayong label, yeah, gusto niya magkaroon kayo ng label. Pero, I don't know kung ipupursue. Okay? Kasi masyadong yung energy niya is pwedeng nakakakuha pa rin siya ng attention. Or sabihin natin, nakukuha pa rin ng iba yung attention niya. So, shaky. Okay? Ano ang outcome nyo? Let's see, your outcome. Ngayong June. Okay, ngayong June lang naman. For Aquarius, outcome / advice, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, the 5 of Swords in reverse, Queen of Swords. Yeah, there could be age gap dito, age difference, huge, I guess. Alam mo, Aqua, ang nakikita ko dito, it's like, ang situation ninyo is nakadepende sa'yo. Okay? They're too immature. They're immature para sa iyong para sa iyong energy. Okay? So, may chance at tendency na talagang hindi kayo minsan magkaka-connect ng taong to. Hindi kayo magkakaintindihan in a way. I don't know. Okay? Pero, smooth flowing ang nakikita ko. Hindi kinakailangang madaliin. Okay? Kung sa tingin ninyo na parang in and out na, wala na bang mangyayari, then, yeah, for me, yung iba sa inyo, it's like ready na eh. Ready na kayo mag-settle. Ready na kayong mag-commit. Pero this person, Some of them, hindi pa. Yeah, marami pa silang makikita, marami pa silang may XP, mga ganyang bagay. Pero, yeah, they want you. Hindi mo raw kailangan gumawa ng kung ano man para mag-click to. Kung gusto niya na makasunod sa energy mo, gumawa siya ng paraan. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan bumaba sa level niya para mag-connect kayo. Hindi mo kailangan yon. Ang kailangan is siya ang humabol. Okay? Nasa ganito kang energy. Gusto niya rin to. So, much better, gumawa siya ng paraan. Hindi yung puro na lang page. That is, ganan lang eh. Ang action niya, nagkaroon nga ng action dito, pero Knight of Pentacles. As in, sabihin natin, may Knight pa rito. The Knights, sabihin natin inconsistent yon, like the page. Okay, so it's up to you kung hahayaan mo itong taong tong humabol sa energy mo para mas maging okay. And yeah, hindi mo kailangan gumawa or sabihin nating umintindi ng umintindi dito. Okay? Kailangan matuto ng taong to. Kaya sa tulong mo, pero hindi mo kailangan palagi tulungan. Okay? Yeah, this is changes, death. Limits. Yeah, the King of Swords. The King of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. This is learning. Okay, learning. So, andyan din yung strength, andyan din yung energy ng pagiging strong and ready. Okay? So, yeah, nandyan ka, nakasuporta, pero hindi mo kailangan spoon-fed itong taong to. Kung anong kailangan niyang gawin, you don't need to say. Okay? It's up to them. Mamaya magsabi ka, hindi niya pala kaya. Diba? Ikaw lang din yung madi-disappoint. Let them know kung anong dapat na gawin. Pero, yeah. Okay? So, let's see. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aqua. Aries through Pisces. Aries, they love you. They see you as somebody who's kind. Taurus, a time waster. Meron ako nakikitang fall out of love na Taurus sa'yo. Fall out of love. Gemini, you're bitter. Cancer, they're attracted. Some of them, they're feeling confident. Leo, they're guarding themselves. Some of them, they're hiding their true feelings for you. Virgo, it's like ending. It's like wala nang mangyayari sa amin ni Aqua. Energy is like throwing the white towel. Parang ganun. Ni Virgo. Okay, so Libra, hot and cold. Scorpio, they want you like physically attracted. They're like excited. Sagittarius, crush ka ni Sag. So Capricorn, they're letting go. Aqua, they need you. They need you. Pisces, they're moving on. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yeah, don't forget rin na i-follow and i-subscribe yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter na nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.